Hi everybody, so today I have to say thank you for shopping my Amazon shop, for making donations. Small donations are welcome and they help so much right now, you guys. Watching and sharing and of course supporting this channel means so much to me during these times especially. And thank you to my patrons. My heart is so big for those of you who are still supporting this channel. Now the colors I'm using today are my Easter egg painting colors. Do you guys remember those colors in this painting? Yeah, that's basically the same ones. I'll link right here to that painting so you can see all of the colors that were used. And this was kind of the precursor to that one. It's just a little 8x10 canvas, I think, just a small one. I wanted to test it out and see what I could do. So you see it's just a very simple ring pour and there's some weird odd little colors going on in there. So I decided to add the reds separately from the greens this time. And then I added some white. Well, it looks like I wrecked this first. I forgot about that. So I just ran my finger through and then a little bit of tilting, and then I decided to add some white. Now, I'm going to show you in another video why I did this because it looks random, but I'm going to show you. I have a new artist to introduce to you guys that I'm absolutely in love with. I cannot wait to share. And I'm going to do it in a bigger way than just a little mention. So I can't wait to share with you guys her art. And anyway, this canvas, I'm going to show you some of the colors individually that I used in there. That's the Arteza's blue. These are pearl colors, lavender. They're gold, Arteza's gold, and the alizarin crimson that you see right there and the red, those were actually golden fluids. And I decided to leave the green out of the bottom part of this, but I just wanted a little bit more interest. This is the Hansa yellow. And I was just kind of playing around here to see what I could get. Thank you so much to those of you who came to my live balloon roll painting tips and tricks. I did have some technical difficulties in that one, and I want to assure you that they have been figured out. I did my research after I have my little orientation issue, and it will not happen again. So now I know what to do next time. I'm thinking I'm going to start doing a live painting event every week or so, maybe every other week, but it's really was fun, and I'm not as good at it as some people that can just seem to read the questions and paint, but I think I'll get better maybe as time goes on. And it was really fun to do it live. It's a lot of pressure. I really didn't realize. I have a lot of respect for the content creators who create live videos. It's very intimidating because, as you know, not all paintings turn out well. So yeah, you know, it's definitely but there you go. That's what I was trying to teach right there, my balloon rolls. And you know, there are some things that really make them work out better than others. And the video I did, I got so many nice comments and emails and messages afterwards, people saying how much they learned. So it is fun to share the knowledge. I find teaching really fun, and I swear that is the reason that I keep doing YouTube videos. despite the fact that they're, you know, so much work and time consuming. I just love to share the knowledge. I love to share the teaching, the things that I learn, the things that make my paintings turn out, and also my mistakes. You see, I'm not perfect, and I definitely have my own little mistakes. So I'm using my dotting tool here, and that's in my Amazon shop if you want to buy a little tool like this. They come in all different sizes. I'm just adding some little fun embellishments that kind of bring this little painting alive. Reminds me of maybe like pollen coming off of the flower or a stamen or something. Just some little lively dots. And I like doing this while the paint is still wet. And then I went back and added some other colors in the center of those dots. I think a baby blue. Isn't that a bright and happy and fun, beautiful painting? This is a little 8. I think this is an 8 by 10, you guys. Maybe a 9. Actually, it's a 9 by 12. I think it's a 9 by 12 or an 8 by 10. Isn't it pretty? And all the metallics made it so beautiful. This one is available, you guys, just $40. Shipping and handling. You can email me at heathermaderart@gmail.com. And if you haven't done it already, you got to check out my new channel, Heather Mader Cooks. Lots of beautiful recipes and easy to follow and delicious results. You got to check out that channel, Heather Mader Cooks. It's in my description box. And please like, comment, and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe and hit all notifications so I can make more art videos just for you.